Dear students, today I am going to teach you question number 18 of SEE 2074. That is province number 3. Okay, and the question is like this: explore experimentally. Explore experimentally means verify experimentally the relationship between the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral BCDE. Opposite angles are cyclic were BCDE. So two circles having radii at least 3 centimeter are necessary. So here relationship between the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. That means what is the relationship between opposite angles that we need to find out using verification method. Okay, so that I'm going to teach you. That means verify. Sometimes you may ask like this also: verify experimentally that the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. You may ask like that also. So for this we need to draw two figures. We have given two figures, at least 3 centimeter radii should be there, it is mentioned. So question number here, question number is 18. Let us write down like this, question number 18. Now we will draw two circles first of all. Let us make two circles, and radii should be more than 3 centimeter, means at least we'll make 4 centimeter. Okay, so it will be easier. So 4 centimeter, let us measure like this, 4 centimeter radii. So more than 3. Okay, at least 3 means more than 3 you make. Okay, one circle from here. Let us draw like this, one circle like this. Now another circle, if it will fit we can make here also. Yeah, it will fit. So let us draw here another circle, two circle. Radius is 4 centimeter we have taken, because it is minimum 3, at least 3 means minimum 3. Okay, and then now we need to make a cyclic quadrilateral. While making cyclic quadrilateral, look at it, in one we'll make like this, almost at equal distance we will make like this 4 points we can choose like this, and then now join these 4 points so that you will get a cyclic quadrilateral. Always join properly, so the angle should not go, the sub point should be at the circumference, exactly at the circumference. It should not go out of that, like this. Okay, one cyclic quadrilateral is ready. And in another one, what I will suggest you to do, okay, 3 points let us keep nearer like this, nearer, and 1 point little bit far away from this. Okay, so look at here, your figure seems a little bit different than this. So always while drawing, draw different type of figures, not the same one. Okay, in two figures should be different type. Now next, let us join this also. Look at it, these two figures seems different, no? Okay, now name of the quadrilateral given BCDE. Let us name like that only, BCDE, and here also same, BCDE. Okay, now this is figure 1, figure number 1. You can write like this. This is figure number 2, figure 2. Okay, now after this what we will do, we will write down given and to verify. Okay, now let us write down given here. Given is BCDE is of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and here center not mentioned. Okay, we can write ourselves, this is O. O is the center, and O is the center of circle. Now we need to verify. To verify, explore experimental means verify experimentally. Okay, so here see, we have to prove opposite angle. See, we have to find the relationship between the opposite angle, means this and this and this. Okay, so these two relation, what is the relation that we know already? The sum should be 180 degree, so that only we will prove here. See, so angle AB plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Number one, we will prove this one, and number two, we will prove this one. See, angle C plus angle E is also equals to 180 degree. These two we will verify. Okay, so verification table now. Verification table. In verification table, we need many columns here. For that, see, first of all, one is figure number one, figure number two, figure we need. Then after that, we need this angle B, angle D, angle C, angle E, and then B plus D we need, and C plus E we need, and remarks we need. So many columns. So let us write down like this. See, first of all, let us write down angle B. Let us write down. Then after that, angle D. Let us write down. Then angle B plus angle D. Let us write down. Then after that, angle C. Let us write down. Then after that, angle E. Let us write down. Then angle C plus angle E. Let us write down. Then after that, remarks. Like this, many columns we need. So now let us draw the line. One line from here we can draw like this. Now another line from here also we will draw for the table, and for figure 1, figure 2. Okay, this much let us make. One is for figure 1 and another for figure 2, like this. Now after this, figure 1 and figure 2, angle B will write measurement here, angle D will write measurement here, angle B plus D will write here, angle C we will write here, angle E we will write here, angle C plus angle E will write here, and remarks will write here. Okay, now this is for figure 1, figure number 1, and this is for figure number 2. Figure 1 will write here, figure 2 will write here. Okay, now measurement needed. So for the measurement, let us use protractor and then measure the angle. Okay, in figure itself, let us measure and then write down. First of all, see, angle B, let us measure. First of all, this is angle B. So to measure angle B, look at here, this bottom line, see, this bottom line of the protractor, look at here, this bottom line should be matched with this BC, and this BE will show you the angle here. See, so let us match it like this. Keep fix your protractor like this. Here center is mentioned. See, here is center is mentioned. Here center is mentioned here. So this one should be at this B, like this. Although it should match like this. Okay. Then after matching like this, now your, see, this line, see, BE will show you the angle. See, so we have started from here. So 0, look at it. Do not count from 180. Count from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. In between 80 and 90, this is 85 we got. See, 85, exactly at 85 it is there. So we can write here 85 degree. This is 85 degree. Now let us measure angle D also. For angle D also, either you match this one with this line or you match this one. Anyone you can match. Okay, I'm keeping like this. See, okay, this one, see, this center we have to match, and this line and this line is matching here. See, after matching this one, see, look at here. Now this another line will show you the angle here. See, okay, another line will show you angle. It's like this. Okay, matching. Now see, 0, where is 0? See, this is the line, not this side. See, don't count from here, because our line is this side, not this side. If your line is this side, you count from here. If your line is this side, then count from here. So your line is this side. So from here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. See, in between 90 and 100 is 95. Okay, 90 and 100 is 95. This down one we have to see. So this angle is 95 degree. Let us write down here 95 degree. Similarly, let us measure angle C also. For C also, let us match this one, see, with this bottom line. So if you keep like this way, now see, look at here. Here also, see, it's coming like this. Okay, our line is this side, not this side. So do not count from here. Our line is this side, so count from here. This is 0, see. Now from this 0, bigger one we have to count. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 90. Okay, and 80, this is 85, 86, 87 we are getting, see, 87 degree. So we can count from here. See, this is 80, this is 85, 86, 87. 87 degree we can write. Less than 90, okay, 87. So this is 87 degree. Now this one, for this one also, see, either you match like this, you can match like this also, or you can put your protractor like this also, anyway. Okay, okay, I'm keeping like this. Look at here. Okay, match this one, fix this one like this. Okay, it's correct. Now let us count. Okay, see, 0 is here. Our line is not this side, our line is this side. So we'll count from here. 0 here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And from 90, now look at here. 95 will be here, but less, two less. Means look at 90, 91, 92, 93. Okay, 93 is here. So we can write here, this is 93 degree. 93 degree. Okay, similarly now next another also we will measure in the same way. Let us measure this one, see, this angle B first of all. So match this one with this line like this, matching. Now after this, it's exactly 9, no, not exactly. Yeah, it's 90 degree. Okay, exactly 90. See from here, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 90. So this is 90 degree. We got this one 90 degree. It means B, D also may be 90. So fix this one with this, and then see, look at here. Okay, see, this also 90. See from here, this line and this line, see. So in between this one, from 0 if you count, 0, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 here. This also 90 degree we got. Now angle E will measure like this. For E, you can match with this one like this, see. Okay, matching like this. And now if you see, if you count from here, see, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 100, 110, 120, 21, 22, 23, 123, 123, this is 123 degree. So now this one we will measure. While measuring this, you can fix it like this one, and then measure like this. Okay, now from here, see, from 0 we'll measure, count from here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. See, 57, not 60, okay? 57 degree. Here we got 57 degree. Okay, now let us fill the table now. Here in the table you can write, okay, from figure 1. In figure 1, we have got angle B 85 and 95. So write down here, this is 85. Do not forget to write degree. And 95 degree. 85 plus 95 is 180 degree we got. Similarly, C and E. 87 and 93. So this is 87 degree. 87 degree. This is 93 degree. So sum will be 7 plus 3 is 10. And then 8, 9, 18. So 180 degree again. Similarly, in figure 2, B and D. So look at it, B 90, D also 90. So we can write here, this is 90 degree, this also 90 degree, sum is 180 degree. Similarly, here also see, E and C and E, 57 and 123. So this is 57 degree, 123 degree. So this is 180 degree. What we got? The sum of the angles, opposite angle is 90 degree. So we can write here, angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 degree we got. And here we got angle C plus angle E, also we got 180 degree. And here also similarly, angle B plus angle D equals to angle C plus angle E equals to 180. Like this way also we can write. So finally we need to write the remarks, okay, or conclusion. Conclusion, let us write down. Conclusion here is, from above verification table, we can conclude that the sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Okay, thank you for watching this video.